India, a tapestry of souls. In the land of eternal tales, where history weaves its vibrant trails, there dwells a tapestry of souls untold. The people of India are a story to behold. From the sacred rivers that gracefully flow to the towering peaks of majestic snow, in their hearts a flame forever burns, a spirit that forges and fiercely yearns. In the bustling streets of vibrant delight, where colors burst and music takes flight, the people dance with zest and cheer. Their celebrations echo far and near. From the artist's strokes on canvas divine to the poet's words that forever shine, in every corner creativity blooms, a symphony of talents like 1,000 plumes. The farmer toils with unwavering might, tending to the fields from morning till night, with hands that nurture the bountiful earth, feeding the nation their noble worth. In the hallowed temples prayers arise, a tapestry of faith that never dies, devotion ablaze in their devoted hearts, seeking solace as divinity imparts. Amidst diversity, they stand as one, a nation that cannot be undone, bound by the threads of unity strong. In their embrace, harmony prolongs. They cherish wisdom passed through the years, with reverence for ancestors' tales and tears. In their traditions, the past lives on, guiding the path as each new dawn. With resilience in the face of any plight, they rise like warriors, fierce and bright. Overcoming obstacles, they emerge with grace, writing stories of triumph in every space. O people of India, with hearts so wide, your spirit an eternal source of pride. In your laughter, joy spreads like wildfire, igniting the world with love's entire. In your kindness, gentle touch, in your compassion, hearts find much. In your smiles, warmth forever flows, a beacon of hope wherever it goes. So let us celebrate the people so grand. In this diverse and magnificent land, India's spirit, a flame that forever burns, a testament to humanity's endless years. For they are the colors that paint the skies, the melodies that make our spirits rise, the embodiment of beauty and grace. The people of India have an everlasting embrace.